Hello, welcome to Learn Center. Today I will discuss one of the important feature of object-oriented programming. I will discuss about the polymorphism. So polymorphism in object-oriented programming. In object-oriented programming, polymorphism is the provision of a single interface to entities of different types. It can be of two types. One is runtime polymorphism that we call method overloading, and another is compile time polymorphism that we call method overriding. So what is method overloading? Method overloading in Java means having two or more methods or functions in a class with the same name and different arguments or parameters. It can be with a different number of argument or different type of arguments. Okay, so now I will show you one example on method overloading. In method overloading, what happens here? We will use same method name by varying the parameters, type of arguments or a number of arguments. We will perform different tasks on it. In this example, I am having some data members. This is my constructor. Value is initialized here, and see, I am having different version of the function compute. One compute with 0 argument, it will perform the addition. Another compute with 2 integer parameter, it will perform subtraction. There is another version of compute with float argument, it will perform the multiplication. Another version of compute having 2 double parameter, it will perform the division. Now let us see what is in the main. In the main, we are calling the compute with 0 argument. What happened? It will come here and see that initialization is there, and it will work on that initialized value and perform the addition. Next, when we call the compute with 2 integer value, what happened? It will come here and perform the subtraction operation. Again, when we call the compute with 2 float value, what happened? It will come here and perform the multiplication operations. Again, when I call the compute with 2 double value, what happened? It will come here and perform the division. So in method overloading, what happened? In method overloading, what happened? Same method name will be there with different parameters on it. First one with 0 argument, second one with 2 integer parameter, third one with 2 float parameter, and fourth one with 2 double parameter. So this is an example of a method overloading. See, from main, when I am running it, it will give me the expected result. See here, sum of two given numbers, it is already initialized with the constructor, and for difference of two numbers, we are passing two integer parameter, it making the difference between these two, and after that we are passing two float value, it making the multiplication. Now we are passing the two double value, it will perform the division operation. So this is an example of method overloading. So thank you for listening us.